Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the daily update by 1000 day challenge. This is day 526, so let's get things started. Alright, so what I mentioned yesterday, I did suffer a significant loss itself. We can see it's negative, it's actually positive. So bear in mind that right now it's really closing through the negative 1600 mark. So it's definitely a new low itself. You can see over here, I think the previous low, yeah, it wasn't that low itself. So definitely we're not doing that well. It did drop a little bit to negative 1600-ish. So yeah, so that's something to bear in mind. But like I mentioned, as long as it keeps within a particular range, I'll still continue with the experimental trade setup. And in addition to that, the purpose of the experimental trade setup is to ensure that we can actually get to test new things while still limiting our risk in that perspective. All right. Otherwise, if you look in terms of market itself, okay. All right, so basically, if you look in terms of market itself, the US market tentatively still looks to be really bullish, or at least healthy in that sense, even if the retracement and pullback were to come. On the other hand, for China market itself, ASHR and KWEB definitely looks to be really hard beaten. Even for ASHR, it's a little bit unexpected to have the bearish momentum itself. So definitely a key region I'll be looking at is the $36 region itself. If it fail to hold support at the $36 region itself, I do see a much further bearish momentum downside in a sense, especially if we look in terms of weekly chart itself. So definitely here is a critical zone itself. We do not bounce. You do see that the high, and the third high itself. I do expect some sort of like weak bounce over here, but if it's a weak bounce and do not have a continuation to break this high itself, then definitely there will not be a good sign, especially if we look in the overall wise, we've been rather bullish. So breaking over here could see us definitely towards this $34 to, $34 to $36 region itself. So this $37 region is definitely a key region to hold if you look in terms of weekly chart on the closing itself. So on the daily itself, definitely here even near the $36 mark could be a point whereby we could revisit as well. So whichever tentatively, I'm not looking to short simply because we could find support in the near term, but definitely do bear in mind that we could see a strong bearish momentum towards the downside in this particular perspective. All right, and then finally for Bitcoin itself, things definitely looks to be a little bit more further bearish. As you can see over here, I mentioned yesterday I did enter a short setup. So it did fulfill some of my criteria itself. I can see that it's forming lower highs. And right now, actually confirm a lower low in that perspective. So I entered a short somewhere around here, as you can see over here, after the video was recorded yesterday itself. So right now, things looks to be trending towards my side of things, but definitely bearing in mind that we could have a very strong bounce because it's a very key support region. You can see we're actually finding it very tough to go right through it at the very first time over here as well. So hopefully to support, because overall I still lean towards bullish momentum, but short-term wise, we definitely could break over here, in which case we could actually revisit towards even the low of here, the 33,000 to 34,000 to 33 to 34,000 region itself could very much be a huge possibility itself, or even just the 38K region itself could also be a possibility. So yeah, I'm definitely not looking for aggressive short. I'm definitely not looking for trend trail following cover stop loss for the short setup. I'm looking for very aggressive short, both in terms of stop loss price and also in terms of taking profit wise. I'll be very quick to take profit or quick to even close at the break-even point itself. Otherwise, that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.